after getting accused?
See, we have 100 times said that we have nothing to do with this case. This is a politically motivated case. As a part of political vendetta, this case has been put on the opposition parties, and I am thankful to the judiciary. They have upheld our faith in the judiciary of this country, and today judiciary has cut through this entire web of lies. They have seen right through it, and very transparently judiciary today has upheld our beliefs, and we are very, very, very thankful to the judiciary. And once again I want to say, through the difficult times, many of Jagruti Karyakartas came to Delhi. The poorest of the poor Karyakartas stood with me. My family stood with me. My kids have become more and more stronger with a greater resolve for me to serve the public, and I'm very, very thankful to everybody who stood by me in that difficult situation. Once again I want to say only one thing, that this was a web of lies, and the judiciary has cut right through it with this